Many people think that foreigners cannot buy a property in Mexico, especially near the beach. And because places like Cancun and the Mayan Riviera are coastal areas, this creates a lot of confusion. But the truth is that thousands of international buyers purchase property here every year, legally and safely. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how foreigners can buy a property in the area, the legal process, the real costs involved, and a few mistakes you definitely want to avoid. Hi, my name is Cecilia, and I am a real estate advisor here in Cancun and in the Mayan Riviera. I work with international buyers who are looking to invest, buy vacation homes, or relocate to the Mexican Caribbean. And in this video, I'll walk you through step by step how foreigners can legally buy property in Mexico. First, let's clarify the most important question. Yes, foreigners can absolutely buy property in Mexico. However, there is a specific rule for properties located within what is known as the restricted zone, which includes land within 50 kilometers of the coastline. Since Cancun, Puerto Morelos, Playa del Carmen, Tulum are all coastal areas, properties here must be purchased through a legal structure called a bank trust, known in Mexico as a fideicomiso. Even though the word trust can sound complicated, it's actually a very well-established and secure structure. The bank holds the title of the property on your behalf, but you are the beneficiary of that trust. This means you have full control over the property. You can live in it, rent it, sell it, remodel it, or pass it on to your heirs. So in practical terms, you have the same rights as a Mexican citizen when it comes to using or profiting from the property. These trusts are typically established for 50 years and can be renewed. At this point, many foreign buyers also ask what type of properties they usually purchase in the region. In Cancun and the Mayan Riviera, there are generally three main types of properties that international buyers look for. The first is vacation homes, properties that buyers use part of the year and rent out when they are not using them. The second type is investment properties, especially condos designed for short-term rentals like Airbnb. And the third category is relocation homes for buyers who plan to live in Mexico either full-time or part of the year. So what does the buying process actually look like? First, you choose the property and negotiate the price or terms. Once an agreement is reached, a purchase agreement is signed and a deposit is made to secure the property. After that, the legal process begins. A notary public oversees the transaction and verifies the property's legal status. At the same time, the bank begins setting up the trust if needed. Once everything is verified, the transaction closes and the property is officially registered under the trust with you as the beneficiary. Another very common question is about closing costs. Typically, buyers should expect to pay between 5% and 7% of the purchase price. These costs include the acquisition tax, notary fees, public registry, and the setup of the bank trust. There is also a small annual fee to maintain the trust with the bank. One mistake I often see is buyers focusing only on the property itself without researching the developer or the location. In fast-growing markets like Cancun and the Mayan Riviera, location can make a huge difference in long-term value and rental potential. Another mistake is not fully understanding the legal process or working with professionals who are not experienced with foreign buyers. One of the reasons Cancun and the Mayan Riviera continue to attract international buyers is the combination of lifestyle and investment potential. The region has strong tourism, international connectivity, and ongoing infrastructure growth. Many buyers are looking for a place where they can enjoy the lifestyle while also owning an asset that can generate income. If you're thinking about buying a property in Mexico as a foreigner, here are a few simple tips. Always work with professionals who understand the local legal process. Take time to research the location carefully and make sure you fully understand all the costs before moving forward. If you are considering investing in Cancun or the Mayan Riviera and would like to explore available opportunities, feel free to contact me. I'll leave my information in the description below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about real estate and investing in the Mexican Caribbean.